sandblasted tomorrow, and since the sandblaster is a bit too powerful for all the body panels that are too thin, like the roof, quarter panels, tail light, and that's about it. We're gonna use instead this aircraft paint and coating remover. This is really powerful stuff. You just need to apply it by thin coats with a paintbrush and then just scrape it off, and then we're going to power wash it, and it's going to be ready for epoxy primer tomorrow. Not get this stuff on your skin. It burns like crazy. Rest of it tomorrow with the orbital sander after the guy is done sandblasting the car. And you may wonder why not sandblast the whole car. Well, the thing is, if I were to bring the car inside a sandblasting shop, they could use what's called a finer media. Media is the material you use to blast onto an object. Sandblast is your typical media, but it's very aggressive. His mobile equipment is more used for big truck chassis, frames, and heavy-duty equipment. It really removes stuff fast, but the thing is, if you're blasting unsupported large pieces of thin metal like the quarter panel is, you can see I can bend it and it flexes with only a small amount of force. If you were to blast this panel with sand, what it would do is it would cause a lot of heat, and so the panel would start warping everywhere, and that would be a nightmare to try to repair with filler. So this is why we never sandblast quarter panels or top. We're now moving the car to its sandblasting location. So last night we moved the car further back in the field because sandblasting creates a lot of dust, and we didn't want to annoy the neighbor.
Sablage Jeté, who did a fantastic job blasting the car in all the nooks and crannies. He arrived so early I wasn't even ready with the cam, and by the time I found my goggles and mask, he had already done most of the undercarriage. This machine is so powerful, I couldn't even get closer to get good close-up shots because the sand was traveling at such velocity it would pinch your skin.
car is ready for paint. I've done some additional patches after the sandblast. I was chasing pinholes with my welder and some general cleanup, and now we're ready for primer.